You look out at a city like this, and it looks like, some arbitrary jumbled mess. Yet, the city is people. It's not actually the buildings and the streets. They're the stage upon which the real actors are playing out the story of civilization.
Geoffrey West is a physicist who spent his life trying to see meaningful patterns in the universe. And now he's turned his attention to the dynamics of human life in cities.
So you can see there's all kinds of infrastructure here. There's the obvious, the roads, the electrical lines, the sewer lines. They're an extraordinary network that is sustaining New York City. Coming at it as a physicist, I had this hunch that there is really an underlying code to all this.
West amassed data about cities all over the world. And the patterns he found mean that for any given population size, he can predict the amount of roads, electrical wiring, or office space that city has. But he also discovered something much more surprising.
One of the most interesting results we discovered was that wages scale in a very systematic way. And the rule that came out was that if you double the size of the city, you get this marvelous 15% increase in the wages.
So if you live in a larger city, that means you're going to earn more?
Yes.
So if there are two mathematicians in two different cities, one twice the size, they're doing the same job, one will actually have a bigger income?
That is what on the average, that is what the data say.
So was that a surprise to you to see
that was a huge surprise. My first reaction was there's something wrong with the data. And then it was like, my God, of course that's right. That's why cities exist.
Incredibly, it's not just people's salaries that increase. When a city doubles in size, every measure of social and economic activity goes up by 15% per person. That's 15% more restaurants to choose from, 15% more art galleries to visit, 15% more shops to go to. In short, life gets 15% better.
It looks like magic,
Feels like
some magic formula that we as social human beings have discovered. This 15% bonus, so to speak, is, I believe, the reason that people are attracted to cities and why there has been this continuous migration from the countryside and into the cities, and at some deeper level actually drive our civilization.
According to Geoffrey West, humankind has an ultimate number. It's this extra 15%, or 1.15. He believes it's the most important driving force in humanity. This single number, 1.15, predicts our future. It will bring us together in ever-expanding cities and shape our destiny for as long as human beings exist.